Hi there, welcome to my shop. It's been a while. I got a message from Louie yesterday asking me where I've been, and to make a long story short, I had back surgery 20 years ago and it didn't go exactly as planned, so every once in a while I still have problems, especially when I do something stupid like shoveling snow, which I did 3 weeks ago, and I've put myself out of commission for a while. I hope to be back in a few more days, but in the meantime I have to take it easy. But since Louie asked where I've been, I thought I'd put out a quick video for you, something that a lot of woodworkers know how to do, but maybe some don't, and that's how to make your own shellac. To make shellac, you use shellac flakes. I get mine from Lee Valley, and you can get them in light yellow, as I use, in amber, burnt auburn I think it is, and a lot of other different colors are available from different suppliers as well. The other ingredient is usually denatured alcohol, but I don't have any of that, so I use ethanol, which is sold in the liquor store under the name Everclear. I also use this to thin out the Zinsser seal coat that I use as a sanding sealer. A 1 pound cut of shellac is 1 ounce of flakes measured by weight mixed with 8 ounces of alcohol. If you want a 2 pound cut, you would just double the amount of flakes. Well, I'm not a cook. The only thing I can do is fried eggs, pretty much. I can do toast with it too. Aren't they supposed to pour cleanly instead of spilling all over the place? But whatever. Anyway, this is going to be a little stronger than a 1 pound cut, but that's all right. So I'm going to just stir it up real good with this stick. Try to get these flakes to perhaps dissolve a little bit quicker. And I'm going to let them sit for probably a couple of days. Come back and see if they're all dissolved. If not, I'll give them a good shake and then try it again. So, shake them up a little bit as well. And that's how you mix what should have been a 1 pound cut. Because I spilled some of the alcohol, it might be a 1.1 pound cut, but that's all right. It'll work just fine. So I want to thank you for joining me today for what I told you would be a very quick video. And I hope you'll come back next time. I'm hoping I'm back in the very near future. Between now and then, have a great day in your shop and be safe. If you like this, click the like button. If you didn't, click the dislike button. If you haven't subscribed before, I hope you'll consider doing that. I really appreciate my subscribers. I can't tell you how much. And if you really want to help me out, share this and my other videos with others. So have a great day, as I said, in your shop, and take care of yourself. Bye-bye now.